For nearly 40 years, I've shared Lake Lanier's beauty with thousands of clients as a fishing guide. But now, I'm going to do it in a different way. I found that most parents these days don't have the time or the knowledge to teach their kids about the beauty and diversity of nature. So I'm going to offer a new service that will share my lifetime of the outdoors with young and old alike. It will be a hands-on education of the ever-changing living panorama of nature that I see every day at Lake Lanier and have enjoyed for almost 40 years. We'll see wildlife, birds of all kinds, waterfowl, raptors, and maybe a few wild turkeys. We'll learn about safe boating, different species of fish and how to catch them, and even have some fun boat riding, swimming, and sharing a picnic lunch on a remote island. All in all, it will be an unforgettable day for all of us. The kids from 9 to 90 will leave with a new appreciation for the outdoors, and I'll be smiling because I know that I will have passed on a gift that my elders blessed me with to new generations of nature lovers. If you, your kids, or even your grandparents want to share this special day with me, just call my phone number or contact me through my website. I'm really looking forward to being with you for a magical day on Lake Lanier.